Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with
RoRo.Rainy. Yeah.
And today is the first day of summer. So basically where I live, the last day of school was May 29th, 2019. So yeah, I am just going to vlog what is happening today. I am going to start making like real breakfast every morning like I did last year, which I'm very excited about because, but yeah. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell to get notified every time that I post. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up down below. I got my nails done, guys, but they're really short, but that's fine. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Like I said, I'm in bed, and my babies are snuggling me. And they're making me so happy when they snuggle. They're just so precious. Okay, so I'm cooking breakfast every day this summer that I'm here. But I am going to New Hampshire for the summer for 1 month, and I'm leaving in a couple weeks. So you'll get lots of New Hampshire vlogs and stuff, which will be cool. So for breakfast, I'm going to be having 2 eggs. One is egg whites and one is like the full egg, because the yolks are really fatty and unhealthy. So yeah, and then 2 strips of this bacon. It's the Oscar Mayer fully cooked bacon. So basically it's already cooked, and then you just have to heat it up in your microwave, and then you can eat it, which is very cool. And a avocado, half of an avocado to be exact. So I'm just gonna cut into this. Also, sorry about my dogs. There are people doing maintenance. One egg with yolk, 1 egg white only, 2 slices of bacon, and a avocado. These are both lightly salted, and that's it. So I just got back from walking the dogs, and I am going to eat a yogurt as a snack. So I am going to jump in the shower because I haven't showered today, and I like to shower in the mornings. And I am going to be taking my bigger dog, Bitsy, in with me because she needs to have a bath, so I do it at the same time as I shower. So,
Hey, I'm coming.
alright, I am out of the shower, and I am going to dry off and relax, and then once I'm dry and in my clothes, I will give my smaller dog, Benny, his bath. So, my boy, he's so cute. What are you doing? It's time for this little baby's nap. Bath. I'm sorry I had to wake you up, but you need to take a bath. Hey. Betty, are you being naughty? Are you being naughty? Betty. Hi. Okay. Do. Okay. Go ahead, Benny. Get in. So, he hates baths. Like, actually so much. It's so sad, poor boy. But he has to have them sometimes. Joey. Just putting in the plug. Okay, I'll be back once he's all clean. Take a bath. Okay, so I just finished giving Benny a bath, which you saw, and I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna eat lunch, which is going to be a salad with grilled chicken strips in it. Sorry. And then some pineapple, I guess, on the side. Yeah, we'll see. So, I am going to give the dogs another walk. So, I'm going to put this chicken, which is the Purdue Harvest Land grilled chicken breast strips. So, yeah. And I'm gonna cook these in our air fryer, which is basically a fryer that is air. So I'm just gonna put these in here. And I'm just gonna cook those for a few minutes in there. They're already cooked and everything, so I'm just heating them up. But yeah, and then once I get back, that'll be done, and I can make my salad. Okay, so I just got back inside, and in the mail, which is what I got a package from Etsy. I ordered stickers that are like payday stickers from Shay Budgets or Shay's Budgets on YouTube. I really like her, and I babysit, so I do get paid, even though it's not with like a regular job yet, but I still wanted them, and so I got this little pack, it was $3, and then shipping was $3.50. So it was $6.50 for 16 large stickers and 10 small stickers. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, since you saw it in the picture that I took of the dogs when we were walking. So oh, and I got them in premium matte, so that's why they're not very shiny. Yeah. So yeah, my total was $6.50 from Shay Budgets. So definitely check out her channel if you are into like budgeting and planning and stuff. So I'm very happy with that. Now I'm gonna go make my lunch because I'm hungry. Alright, and here's the salad. Looks really delicious. In case you couldn't like tell, because it goes very fast in time lapse, I used what's it called? Leaf mixture. These are not empty, but I used these, sorry, the shadows is very annoying. These, croutons, and then this is my all-time favorite dressing for salads. It's just like so delicious, yummy. But yeah, and then you already saw the chicken, and that was it. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to New Hampshire, and I had a situation with my planner because I need to be very organized and everything, and so hold on. I used this planner for the year 2018 to 2019, obviously, but it is a school planner made for school people. So when I bought this planner for the next school year, which is 2019 to 2020, to be starting when this one ended, but this one, because it's the school one, ends in June, and this one begins in August, and I will still be in New Hampshire during July. So I needed something, so I found these templates. These are the weeks, these are the months. So I'm basically making my own planner for New Hampshire. So I'm going to fill this all in and everything in time lapse, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm in my room at my desk, and I want to make a disclaimer. I am not good at calligraphy, but I do enjoy doing it, so that's why I'm going to be doing it. Please don't judge me. Don't be mean. Yeah. So I have calligraphy pen, markers, pens, whatever. So they have one brush tip and one skinty tip. That's hard, I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to be doing the month name in calligraphy, and then I'm gonna go through and just write the like the dates. So like for example, this week it will be week 9 through 15, and that'll be that. So yeah, okay, so I'm not gonna do it in time lapse because I feel like I'm gonna mess up if it's in time lapse, so I'll just show you guys the final result. And this is what they look like. I really hate the J's. Like, I don't know why they look like a bird, but whatever. You can see like where I went over certain spots like multiple times, which is awful, but that's fine. I don't really care. I mean, it's just for me, so it's not really a big deal, but yeah. So that's that. So I'm editing this video and I realized that I never filmed an outro, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that it's pretty like choppy and not very good, but that's what you got. So yeah, so make sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe if you want to. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Mwah.